Hello everybody and welcome to SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over the Milwaukee M18 Quick Lock Rubber Broom attachment for the Milwaukee M18 Quick Lock series. We also have the head obviously present today so we can show you how all of this goes. So getting right into it, the first thing you're going to have to do is put the brushes on, and so I've already put the guard on this guy and one of the brushes. The guard's real simple, it slides over and it has a bolt that locks it down. What's more confusing about these is how these go on. So I'm going to start off by showing you how to put the two rubber brushes on each side. So I've already put the bottom one on. So you're going to start by putting this guy over this, and you're going to see it's a circle with a flat side right here. And you're gonna line that up with the same exact flat side on this. And that is what holds it in place and drives it. Once you get that on there, there is a little pin, looks just like this, in the shape of an L. And there's a little spot where that can drop in and has a lock. And I am going to spin this so that I can show you that. That's going to drop right in, and there's two little things that hold it in place. And there's that, and then that's going to click right there. And now that can't go up or down, and once you slide this over that, it's going to hold that in place because it can't push out. So that's going to keep that from going out. Then this is going to slide over this. The brushes stick out on one side, don't stick out on the other. This is the interior towards the middle. These are going to go out towards the exterior. So it's going to go on like so. And then it'll snap all the way down, and you will see a little tiny like nipple sticking out right here. And there's a hole in it, and that's going to take a cotter pin. And so I'm going to show you that. And once you get that cotter pin in there, that's going to hold the whole mechanism in place, like so. And now you're ready to attach it to your power head. There we go. We're gonna loosen that first, then slide it in, then tighten that down so it doesn't vibrate or anything, and we are good to go. Now we are going to go ahead and toss our M18 battery on here. I forgot to grab, but I'll be right back with. Hold on one second. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. There we go. I knew I forgot something setting up this video. Sorry about that, guys. So we are going to go ahead and put this on here, and I'm going to start off by setting it on the table just to get an idea of the speed, and it might even flip the darn table over because it really gets going, but so that's it, guys. And then I'm going to go ahead and give you a good sample where we're going to move some dust for you. Alright guys, well, thanks again for watching. We appreciate you. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can win that M18 drill kit. See you in the next video.